In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Outlook language. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, if you wish to modify the language on your Outlook such that the interface is in a specific language, or you had by mistake set to a language that you don't understand, then follow these steps to revert back to any language such as English or your native language. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, to do this, go and log into your Outlook account. Then once you are logged in, go to settings. From settings, head to general here. And here we have language and time settings. Under language and time, you can see your current language. Mine is United States, that is English. And I wish to switch to a different language. So I'll click here and you can see the current languages that are supported by Outlook. So scroll down until you find your language, and once you have found it, now just choose your language. For instance, I'll choose this, and then to save it, go ahead and click on save here. By clicking on this, now your language will be updated. You're told you must refresh the page for the folder name to be updated to your selected language. So that's how you can change your language in Outlook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.